Zelda, Duke Onklet is under attack by the evil Ganon. I'm going to Gamelon to aid him.
But Father, what if something happens to you?
I'll take the Triforce to protect me. If you don't hear from me, send Link.
Impa? Don't worry, Zelda. The Triforce promises that will safely return.
Enough. My sails in. I wonder what's for.
Oh boy! I'm so hungry, I could eat a
A whole gone, and still no. I'm certain he's all right.
Yeah, that old Ganon's no match for the
Link, go to Gamelon and find my...
Great! I can't wait to bomb some
Wake up, Impa. We're going to Gamelon. All right. I'll get the Triforce.
You dare bring to my. You must die.
Father!
You saved me!
Here's the Your Majesty, please, your omnipotence have
After you've scrubbed all Hyrule, then we can talk about. Take him away.
Yes, my liege.
I wonder what happened to Link. Oh, he was a... Anyway, stop looking at yourself.
What happened?
Nothing, Link. We were just about to have a...
Great!
Shut up!